Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn housework vocabulary. Without any delay, so let's get started. Welcome to my house, my snack station, and sometimes my dance floor. House, house, house. It's a lovely place where I feel safe and happy. House, house, house. My house has a bright red roof, large windows and strong wooden door. The roof protects us from rain. Roof, roof. The windows let in lots of sunlight. Window, window. Open the door to enter. Door, door. Inside my house, my sofa is the ultimate chill out zone. Sofa, sofa. My bean bag, pure comfortable. My ultimate chill spot. Beanbag, beanbag. My dining table is where all the action happens. Eating together, laughing together. Dining table, dining table. Wall, the brown wall stands tall. Wall, wall. Floor, I sweep the floor every day. Floor, floor. Balcony, I relax on my balcony. Balcony, balcony. Stairs, let's go upstairs. Stairs, stairs. And don't forget the bathroom, the thinking room, the singing studio. Bathroom, bathroom. Kitchen, welcome to my kitchen. Smells delicious, right? Inside my kitchen, we will find stove. Be careful, the stove is hot. Stove, stove. Microwave, I heat my food in the microwave. Microwave, microwave. Fridge, my fridge, my magic box of snacks. Fridge, fridge. Toaster, my bread is toasting in the toaster. Toaster, toaster. Spoon, I eat soup with a spoon. Spoon, spoon. Knife, be careful, the knife is sharp. Knife, knife. Plate, I serve my food on a plate. Plate, plate. Cup, I drink coffee in a cup. Cup, cup. Bedroom, this is my cozy bedroom. Let's take a look. Bed, I sleep on my bed. Bed, bed. Pillow, my pillow is soft. Pillow, pillow. Blanket, I love my warm blanket. Blanket, blanket. Wardrobe, my clothes are in the wardrobe. Wardrobe, wardrobe. Mirror, I check my outfit in the mirror. Mirror. Wow, you have learned so many words today. Great job. Keep practicing and soon you will talk about your home like a pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for awesome English lessons. See you next time.